Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the second question in exercise 5.3. Find dy by dx in the following. It is given as an expression or equation. Let's differentiate each term with respect to x. So in the first term, it is simply 2. For the second term, it will be 3 into differentiation of y with respect to x is dy by dx. On the right side, sin y can be differentiated as cos y into dy by dx by applying chain rule. Okay, now let's collect all the dy by dx term on the left side. So 3 dy by dx minus cos y dy by dx is equal to minus 2. I've just taken this to the other side. Take dy by dx outside. So dy by dx into 3 minus cos y is equal to minus 2. So we need the value for dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to minus 2 divided by 3 minus cos y can also be rewritten as 2 divided by cos y minus 3. I'm absorbing the negative sign to the denominator and writing it in this fashion. In the next video, we will find the solution to the third question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.